It's being termed a big breakthrough in the black money case. A Delhi businessman has accepted and confessed to having Swiss accounts. It's being considered, like I mentioned, a major breakthrough in the black money case. Shantanu on the phone line with us. Shantanu, what exactly have these income tax raids revealed?
Well, this is the biggest breakthrough as far as the Income Tax Department is concerned in the black money case, and more specifically pertaining to the list in HSBC Zurich branch, which is under scrutiny by the Income Tax Department. According to the sources, we know that almost rupees 60 crore of unaccounted money has been accepted by this businessman, Delhi-based businessman in question. The person who is being interrogated and investigated by the Income Tax Department used to stay in Sweden and subsequently moved to India and started an oil consultancy business. He has accepted rupees 60 crore. The department, sourcing department say that the amount could touch to nearly 120 crore. And sources also told Times Now that apart from Zurich, other places where this businessman has kept unaccounted money includes bank in Singapore and also bank in US. The businessman's house in posh scenic farm areas in Delhi has been raided. An office in South Extension has also been raided, and 8 of his bank lockers in Delhi has also been sealed. Interrogation is currently still going on, and more is expected to come out. And the Income Tax Department is expected to come out and unearth more from this particular case as far as the black money issue is concerned. Back to you.
Shantanu, from the reports and sources that you are quoting at this point, is there also an indication that perhaps this man with political links could also reveal more names?
Absolutely. In fact, interrogation is right at present going on, and sources have told us that the fact that this person who is under investigation, the oil consultant, has taken some political names, and his political connections is also being looked into by the department. But what is more interesting is the fact that this till date is the biggest haul in the HSBC list as far as the IT department is concerned, and this comes as a big shot in the investigations of the black money case.